I was able to do a discovery flight at UND with the chief flight instructor here, who is Wes Vandell. And Wes originally asked me, he's like, "You want to take the doors off for this flight?" And I was like, "You can do that?" And I was so shocked. And so we took the doors off and took off, and a helicopter is just such a different beast when it comes to flight training. And it was so much cooler, and I just loved every second of it. My name's Allie Moses. I grew up in Thompson, North Dakota, and my major is helicopter operations with a safety specialization. I kind of got interested in aviation my junior year of high school, and so I started to look into it, and I noticed that UND was right down the road. Some of the most impactful things that I've done with UND have been facilitated by professors and by just my peers, especially being in the student involvement organizations. So the UND Helicopter Association specifically was able to set me up for a lot of different opportunities and to meet a lot of my peers that I'm going to be working with for the next couple of years. Everyone kind of has their own thing that they maybe like to do volunteering-wise or just giving back in some sort of way, and I've found a lot of passion and love for it with the fire department. My dad was on, so I was able to join when I was 14 years old. And that journey kind of in first responding and just emergency services was what originally drew me into some of that emergency service world. You never really know what you're going to go to, and I think that there's beauty in that, even though it is kind of scary. I'm not exactly sure if the fire department was part of my draw into the military. The military was always kind of a thought of mine. Growing up, I actually always wanted to be a SWAT or FBI agent or some sort of police officer. So I think I always had a little bit of an itch to do some sort of police work. And so military police kind of lined up with that. And then when I found out about the opportunity to move into a helicopter unit in the Guard that is medevac, I thought that would be a fantastic opportunity as well. You know, I've got the firefighting, military, and police, and then that medevac side. So I just love the diversity of getting those three, the trinity there of the first responding or emergency service realms. I think the bonus of it is getting to help me just step into my career to become better at whatever job I am doing.